through it with your love letters. I thought it make me feel better. I'm seeing you want to take a time. I know you by your phone.
Alright, y'all, so let's get into it. So this is the 360 glueless invisible lace frontal wig. This is a curly texture. I don't know what the density is on this wig, but it is super full, so make sure you check that description bar. Now this wig is very interesting. It comes with these invisible strings that is supposed to give me like a snug fit. So I'm gonna pull these little bad boys off to the side right here and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so this wig does still come with the straps in the back where you can make the wig a little tighter. It does come with the headband as well. So I'm just putting the combs underneath my braid just to give me a little bit more secureness. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull the string on this wig. And I don't know if you guys saw that, but it definitely made the wig smaller and tighter in the back, giving me a flat install, which should be perfect for a high up look such as a bun or a ponytail. So let's go ahead and move on to the install of the front of the wig. Now this wig comes with adhesive or tape for the sideburns, because if you know the sideburns be playing with us every single install. And y'all already know the drill. So when it comes to the install, I'm using hairspray, which is by Eben. I take a little bit of a hair out around my hairline. I spray that directly on my lace to avoid the hair, the lace, all that good stuff from being crunchy as hell. So yeah, that's what I do. I've been wondering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind behind. All these thoughts are troubling me. Ready to give up my name, ready to be on my name, my mind. Wanting to be other side, when it's time to leave my life. Let it try to take me out, tell you what I need. I really need, Okay, so I let the band sit for about 5 minutes before I removed it. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my hot comb and press out those hairs that I pulled out around my hairline. And to get my little baby hairs for my middle part, I'm just going to pull some of the hairs out. Now I really did jerk that part of my baby hairs or hairs out of the hairline, but yeah, trust me, it's so much easier than going back and plucking into the hairline. I ain't got time for that. So then I'm gonna go ahead and take this little razor comb and like take that little piece off that I just ripped out of my head, literally. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting the lace and doing my baby hairs, and I'll be back. all, can we talk about just how pretty this hair is? Look at how gorgeous and full and fluffy and just cute this wig is. The curls, like it's giving scissor. For real. Yes. Okay, yeah, so real cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and define my curls. I honestly thought about wearing my hair just like this, but because of the video, I'm just gonna show you girls what the hair looks like if you define the curls. So I'm gonna go in with sectioning off my hair first, of course, and then I'm gonna use mousse to define my curls. I'm not going to saturate or overly saturate my hair with water because I want my hair to like look like it's wet but not wet. And I've noticed that like if you really go to town with too much water, your hair would just look not the look that I'm going for. So I do like a little bit of water on my brush, and this definitely helps with just enough product and water to just, evenly distribute throughout the hair, but also detangle the hair at the same time, but still give me enough fluffiness to my hair is what I was trying to say. If you add too much water to your curly wigs, for me personally, it weighs the hair down. During the wet process, I don't like that, so I still like for my hair to look full, so that's why I don't like to use too much water. So as you girls can see, the curls look juicy, looks beautiful. Love this wig even more in its wet state. This is crazy. I have not had a curly wig like this that I loved in so long. It's been a few years, honestly. So, yeah, this wig will definitely come back for another round because, yeah, I'm loving it. Okay, y'all, and this is pretty much what the hair looks like when it is completely wet. As you can see, the hair still has a good amount of volume to it, but the curls are super duper defined. I love this wig, the texture, just everything about it. The hairline just is perfect. Can't wait to reinstall this wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let this wig air dry. I'm gonna go ahead and run a couple of errands as well, and I'll be back to show you girls what the hair looks like once it's completely dried. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like completely dry. It has that wet look to it, which I love. Has that full look to it. Gives a little bit of a wave slash curly. This wig is perfect. If you are looking for a curly wig, girl, get you one of these. promise you, you will love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a bun because I want to see what this wig looks like, especially with the elastic band look or like that invisible strap situation that I was doing earlier in this video. So I want to see what it's going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and put my hair in a bun. But first of all, check out how beautiful and full this wig looks like from the back. So I went on ahead and put the wig in a ponytail, and this is what it looks like in a ponytail. Now it is not secured down in the back. Only thing securing it down in the back is that clear elastic strap that pretty much tightens the back of the wig. So if you decide to wear this wig in a bun or a ponytail, you can definitely do so without any type of glue or spray in the back. So yeah, girl. All right, so I took that bun out, honey, and I'm about to get ready to go run me some errands. And this is what the hair is looking like. I promise you, it is giving scissor vibes all day. If you love scissor hair, oh my God, this is like a dupe for real for her hairstyle. Like, look at how pretty this is. And y'all, this hair is dry. This is what this hair looks like when it is dry. Crazy. Details below in the description bar. Let them know Diamond Mind sent you. Bye.